din. Tapat naman po kami ng gym. Try nyo po yung service namin sa nails. Actually, ito po yung ambience namin. Very homey. Dinivide namin yung salon in 2 parts. Para meron kaming relaxing area. Yung makaka-sleep, makaka-unwind. We use also vegan sa mga, all gamit po namin dito is vegan eh. Pati yung sa nail polish namin is non-toxic. It's vegan, it's good for the children, kaya yun din po yung ginagamit namin. Even 1 or 2 years old, pwede po gamitin yung nail polish namin. Even sa mga hair color and hair product namin, we usually use also the natural base. I can say it's organic, kasi po kapag organic, dapat lahat is very organic. Pero lahat po ng content ng pangkulay namin is natural. Gigamit po siya sa sunflower, sa milk, kaya po yung mga pang-hair color namin hindi siya nakaka-affect. We also have the soft ribbon method. Unlike to other competitors po, yung soft ribbon po namin is very natural looking. It has volume, hindi po siya sobrang straight, at hindi po drying yung hair even after a year. Very fresh pa rin po yung hair namin sa paggawa ng ribbon.